fly away from me, bitch. I'm evil. Oh God, I hope that's not a police helicopter. I'm gonna say, hey, girl, get off the fucking roof throwing those eggs. Let's see. I want to see if I can seriously throw. Oh my God, that shit fucking hit something. I don't know what the fuck it was. Oh my God, it's like a police helicopter over here. I'm not doing nothing. It's a nice day. Look at this fucking police. Like, let's look what. Here we go. Let's see what all the toilet paper want. Why'd you have to put it in a fucking yard, man? Okay, I think the cops left. Now, look, seriously, let's throw it on that other. Oh, that shit hit something down. Oh, my face down there. Oh. Come on, one more time. One more time for the record book. Your mother says. Oh my God. Oh my God. I think that shit. Dude. Okay, let me catch my. Dude, I think that shit hit somebody's fucking roof, man. What do you fucking know? Somebody's window. One more for the record, but now we're gonna throw out street level. Duh. Oh shit! Oh shit! The old man from 1729 was down there. Thank God he didn't see me. Fucking people. Like, move your mouth. What is this wire over here? One more for the record. Can you possibly like throw it in the street? Sure. Oh. Yo, that's not good. Oh my God. That fucking shit hit somebody's fucking car. Dude, what the fuck is wrong with you? Okay, we gotta get the fuck away. We better get the fuck away from the front. And somebody's gonna. What the fuck's going on there? Dude, we better get. Seriously. We better get the fuck away from the front. I'm gonna like get in serious trouble. I'm in trouble. Pray for me.